Today I'm going to show you some awesome pages with great resources which you can use in your design projects. And the first would be free icons that you can get from googlefonts.com. So you can type it in fonts.google.com/icons and check this out. We got these really high quality icon sets in here where you can type in also in the search bar whatever icons you would like. And the nice thing about these, you got a couple of options here on the left side. For example, we got the weight. You can increase or decrease the weight of the icons. And for example, if you increase it, it's gonna get thick and it's gonna get bigger also, and you can decrease or increase the grain. This is gonna scale up or scale down the size of the icons. And then we also have the optical size. So if I increase it or decrease it, you can see it's gonna change up the composition of the icon. It is going to customize the stroke and do a little bit of more customization on the icons. And check this out, there's also a fill switch. If you turn it off, it is going to fill up the icons. So it won't be these icons made out of strokes, but it's going to be a fill icon. Next, we got the reshot.com, another page with icons and illustrations. I can click on this SVJ icons and you can type it in whatever you need. Check this out, it's going to bring up all kind of variations, illustrative icons, minimal icons. You can click on the one you like and download it in SVJ. Next, you can get amazing images from unsplash.com, which are more uncommercial, curated and uploaded from all kind of photographers from all over the world. You can get amazing images here with really good quality. Now there's another similar page to unsplash.com, which is pexels.com, and again they include similar style images, really high quality, and they also got videos which you can download totally for free, and it seems they also got like 3D renders. If you want to search for textures, this page is also amazing, or you can check out also unsplash.com for textures, but there are also specific websites for textures only, which would be textureslab.org, for example. This page is also filled with great textures, which are a little bit more subtle as well, so you can use it in posters, albums, and any kind of grungy designs. They also got a couple of awesome paper textures. And not but least, we got Texture Ninja. Look at that. They also got different stuff here, but they do shine when it comes to grunge as well. We got concrete, brick, corrects, fabrics, paint, and all kind of awesome textures. And right now, these would be the awesome websites where you can download some awesome resources. If you also got other places on your mind, write a comment below so you can share it with everybody. This was it. Thanks for watching.